16-17, Intermediate Committee. Plus 53 kilograms. To 15 years old, Girls Advanced Committee plus 54 kilograms. Standby Tatame B. Aka, Sydney K. Gonzaga of Puntao Mandawi versus Au. Hannah Ella Hurtado of Northern Cebu Karate Club and Au. Janelle Isha Abor of Puntao Mandawi. Again, 14 to 15 years old, Girls Advanced Committee plus 54 kilograms. Atoshi Barak. Winner, gold, Christy Alivio. Silver, Shane Pilayo. And bronze, Samantha Rose Alvarez. For championship bout of 16 to 17 years old girls intermediate committee minus 53 kilograms. Pixel Marie Nunez Aka versus Hannah Carol Gaston Au. Prepare, Jasmine Melenchon AOK. 16 to 17 girls intermediate committee plus 53 kilograms. Melenchon. Standby, Melenchon. And standby, senior female intermediate committee minus 50 kilograms. Aka, Bernadette Sahulga and Au, Stephanie Nicole Arnado. And standby advance committee girls. Standby Tatame B, all Bitawal Ganina. Standby. (16 to 17 years old girls advanced committee minus 48 kilograms. Proceed to Tatame B. Diana Reggie Gonzaga of Puntao Mandawi Aka versus Rosel Ann May Dagamo BCMAC. Au, Hannah Faith Nunez, BCSTC. Aka, Tuzda V. Austria of BCMAC and Au, Bernadette Laporta of Puntao Cebu. Again, 16 to 17 years old girls advanced committee minus 48 kilograms Tatame B. Aka, Diana Reggie Gonzaga, Au, Rosel Ann May Dagamo, Au, Hannah Faith Nunez, Tuzda V. Austria Aka, Au, Bernadette Laporta. Winner, Au, Hannah Carol Gaston, gold and silver, Pixel Marie Nunez. Next, Jasmine Melenchon AOK. Sensei, walay kontra. Mamalihog kong award. Toshi Bara. Ay. Gold, Stephanie Nicole Arnado and silver Sahunga. Next category, advanced. Next category, advanced 8 to 9 years old girls, 2 meter minus 130 centimeters. First bout, Kapin, Aka versus Malinaw. After this bout, proceed to another category, 10 to 11 years old girls advanced committee minus 140 centimeters. First bout, Charlie Tumakay Aka versus Pauline Almira Bay. Again, Tumakay Aka versus Pauline Almira Bay of Puntao. Ow.
Second call, Gilmon de la Pedra, PCSKC, Nino Changidorio, Northern Cebu Canadian Club, Prince Jimmy Mirano, ALK, Jaco Roque Gabato, Quintao Mandaue, and Alexander Jarapag, Warriors Academy Team. Please proceed to the staging area now.
Atoshi Bara. Winner, Kapin. Kapin, you are still Aka. Stand by, Kapin, for championship. Let's proceed to 10 to 11 years old girls advanced committee minus 140 centimeters. First bout, Tumakay Aka versus Pauline Almera. Kicking, Aka. Tumakay, wala no. Kicking, Aka. Winner, Winner base. Base change to Aka. For championship, proceed sa mga 8 to 9 years old, Aka. Louis Maril Capin versus Athena Faith Amistoso. Again, 8 to 9 years old girls, advanced committee minus 130 centimeters. Award Diretso, champion. Gold, Capin, and silver, malinaw. Okay? For next, category 10 to 11 continuation, Aka, Tuboy, Shane, and Au, Angel Didorio. And prepare following Almira base, Aka. Again, prepare.